In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Panasonic TV and run YouTube. Whether the app isn't working, it's missing from your home screen, or your TV is older and doesn't have the latest smart features, I'll walk you through all the best options so you can get YouTube up and running fast. First, if your Panasonic TV is a smart TV with built-in apps, grab your remote and go to the home screen. Scroll through the apps until you find YouTube. It might be on the main menu or under All Apps. Click it to open and start watching videos right away. If you don't see the YouTube app, check the App Store or My Apps section on your Panasonic Smart TV. Use the search function to look for YouTube, then download and install it. Now, if your Panasonic TV isn't a smart TV, maybe it's older or doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, no worries. You can still watch YouTube by connecting an external streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, Chromecast, or even an Apple TV. Just plug it into an HDMI port, connect to Wi-Fi, and download the YouTube app from that device's app store. Another option, use a media player app like VLC or Kodi on a set-top box or Raspberry Pi and stream YouTube videos using browser plugins or add-ons, though this method is more advanced. Thanks for watching. If this helped you finally get YouTube working on your Panasonic TV, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked best for you. Built-in app, App Store, or streaming stick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. See you next time.